HubSpot CRM versus Drift. Two powerhouse platforms. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, HubSpot CRM, the all-in-one customer platform. And on the right, Drift, the conversational marketing specialist. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into the real numbers and features. Each category gets scored, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. All right, let's map this out. Here's what we're comparing: pricing, core strength, AI and chatbot, integration and flexibility, performance and speed, marketing and analytics, and features breadth. Grab your mental highlighter. These are pretty much the big buckets anyone should be thinking about before making a move. Okay, kicking it off with pricing. HubSpot CRM is, well, kind of the transparent kid in class. You get a free CRM. And if you want to go big, it's $150 per seat each month. You always know what you're paying, which is rare these days. Quick heads up though, if you need tons of seats, the bill stacks up fast. For example, 10 users would hit $36,000 a year. Yikes. On the Drift side, things get murky. You get unlimited contacts. That's awesome, but pricing feels like a mystery box. It's now part of SalesLoft, so you kind of need to dig for costs. And extra seats? Yeah, unclear. If transparency matters, HubSpot definitely takes the cake here. Next up, core strength. HubSpot CRM is, honestly, like your command center. It's got everything: marketing, sales, service, analytics, you name it. But here's the thing: conversational marketing isn't its headline act. So if you want deep chat features, that's not its strongest suit. Drift, though, this is its playground. Specialized in conversation, Drift is all about qualifying leads in real time, using AI chatbots, and grabbing visitors while they're hot. But you only get those conversation-centric powers. You'll need to link up with other tools if you want something more. Both have mad strengths, but in totally different lanes. Hard to pick a strict winner here. Let's call it a tie. Now, let's talk AI and chatbot. With HubSpot, you get solid AI-powered chatbots that hang out right in your CRM workflows. There's even AI content writing, which is cool, but the Convo bot isn't the star. It's kind of as a sidekick. Drift flips the script. It lives for conversational AI. It's so good at qualifying leads, setting meetings automatically, and keeping chats personal in real time. Honestly, if your business lives or dies by chat, Drift is the pro here. No contest, Drift wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Drift got scooped up by SalesLoft in early 2024? Yep. Now it's fusing conversational marketing with revenue strategy muscle. Definitely worth noting if you're eyeing Drift for the long term. Jumping into integration and flexibility. HubSpot is all about seamless setups: marketing, sales, CMS, and even a big list of third-party integrations, all swirling together in one central place. You want a single platform? HubSpot's your gal. But it can get kinda complex if you want to unlock everything. Drift can connect with other CRMs and automate marketing tools. Plus, it's now rolling with SalesLoft. Still, if you want deep CRM magic, you'll need to plug in more stuff. Overall, HubSpot's wider integrations give it the edge. Performance and speed time. HubSpot is snappy, 4.6 seconds to load, which is genuinely impressive. Doesn't slow things down, just gets things done. Drift? I mean, you do get that real-time chat experience, but on load speed, it drags a little. About 7.8 seconds. That might be fine for chat, but if you care about lightning speed, HubSpot is basically the Usain Bolt here. Marketing and analytics. Now this is juicy. HubSpot's got these reporting tools that go above and beyond. Multi-touch tracking, campaign performance, heck, even social media is hooked in. You want serious data? Done. There's so much here that, honestly, small teams might be overwhelmed. Drift offers analytics too, on leads and conversations. Plus, it sorts your email inbox with a sprinkle of automation. But it's not as deep. If you're a metrics nerd or a heavy-duty marketer, HubSpot is definitely the stronger contender. Features, breadth. And wow, HubSpot does not hold back. From marketing automation, customer service, knowledge base, forms, ad management, a true Swiss Army knife. Maybe even too many features if you like simplicity. Drift sharpens its focus. Conversational landing pages, meetings, chatbots, and a sprinkle of CRM cleanup. It's specialized. So, if you want all the tools, HubSpot is your buffet. If you just want killer conversations, Drift keeps it lean. Let's check out the overall scorecard. HubSpot nails it on breadth, integration, speed, and analytics. Drift shines brightest with conversational AI and lead engagement, but kinda tapers off everywhere else. When you look at the big radar map, HubSpot's spread is bigger and more even. So, my hot take, if your team wants the whole customer experience package, marketing, sales, service, analytics, HubSpot CRM is the go-to. But if you just want to crush it with real-time conversations and qualify leads fast, Drift could be magic for you. HubSpot wins for being the complete ecosystem, while Drift rules at specialized engagement. Choose based on your needs, folks. Still not sure which CRM fits your vibe? Hit up my comparison tool and find your perfect match. Trust me, it's going to make your 2025 much easier.